How to verify your age on ChatGPT. So first, you want to open up your browser and head to chatgpt.com and make sure you're signed in with your account. And then click on your profile button on the bottom left side, then click on settings. And from here, you want to go to the account section on the left panel, scroll down and click on the account section. And in here, you should find the age verification section. All you need to do is simply click on verify age right here. And this will basically ask you to verify your age using your mobile device. It will open up a window which might redirect you to your mobile device to use a webcam. And then all you need to do is follow the instructions. It will ask you to look straight ahead at the camera and then rotate your head to the left side and the right side. And once it takes the pictures, it should upload them automatically to ChatGPT. And then within a few hours, you get the response and your account should be verified. So you can either continue right here if you're on a laptop or send it to another device by copying this link or scanning the QR code using your phone, which changes every few seconds. And you can also send to a specific email address where you can click on the link there and it will take you to the verification page to finish it. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.